How to make an auto-click macro for the Logitech G502 mouse. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll let you guys know how can you make an auto-click macro for the Logitech G502 mouse. In order to do it so, you just need to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you have to launch the G HUB software on your computer. Then you want to ensure that the G502 mouse is connected to the software. After which you want to choose the button on your G502 that you want to use to trigger the auto-click macro. And in the G HUB software, navigate to macro sections and create a new macro. After which, what you need to do is you'll need to record the click action you want the macro to perform. This usually involves pressing and releasing a mouse button, and you have to add a delay. That means delay between each click to adjust the speed of the auto clicking. You could set the delay in milliseconds as well. After which you want to set the macro to toggle, so it will run continuously when designated buttons is pressed and hold down, and stopped when released. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.